In most homes, cleaning means reaching for a plastic spray bottle from under the sink, but in an Amish farmhouse, it begins in the kitchen. There are no bright chemical scents, no disposable wipes, and no shelves lined with brand-name cleaners. Instead, the same ingredients used for baking bread or pickling vegetables are transformed into powerful, all-natural cleaning solutions. The Amish have been doing this for generations. Long before eco-friendly became a buzzword, they've proven that a clean home doesn't need modern chemicals, only a few simple ingredients, knowledge, and a little patience. Today, we'll explore how the Amish make their own cleaning supplies entirely from what's already in their kitchen, and how these old-world methods still outperform many modern products. If you've ever stepped inside an Amish home, you'll notice something immediately. It smells clean, but not artificial. The air is fresh with the faint scent of vinegar, herbs, and soap. That's because Amish cleaning begins with the same philosophy as their cooking: use what you have and waste nothing. They don't rely on products from the store. Instead, they rely on three main ingredients that can be found in nearly every Amish kitchen: vinegar, baking soda, and soap fat. These form the foundation of an entire cleaning system, one that's safe, sustainable, and cost-free. Step 1. The power of vinegar. The Amish have used vinegar for generations as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. Made from fermented apples or grains, vinegar's acidity cuts through grease, kills bacteria, and dissolves mineral buildup, all without harming the environment. Amish all-purpose cleaner. It's just a simple mixture of 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, and if you like, a few drops of lemon juice or peppermint oil. This cleaner is used on wood, glass, metal, and even kitchen counters. The Amish pour it into a glass jar with a hand cloth instead of a spray bottle. The result? A streak-free, chemical-free shine. In some homes, vinegar is infused with citrus peels or mint leaves for extra cleaning strength and a pleasant scent. Every time a lemon or orange is used for cooking, the peels are saved, never wasted. Step 2. The baking soda miracle. Next comes baking soda, or what the Amish call soda ash. This simple white powder is their secret to scrubbing away grime and absorbing odors. It's gentle enough for wood but tough enough for burnt pots. Amish scrubbing paste. So, to make it, just mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and then add enough water to form a paste. Used on sinks, ovens, and even cast iron pans, this homemade paste removes grease and buildup without scratching surfaces. Unlike modern cleaners, it's completely non-toxic, safe for children, pets, and the environment. In many Amish homes, baking soda also doubles as a tooth cleaner, a laundry booster, and a carpet deodorizer, proof of how multi-purpose natural products can be. Step 3 is all about soap making from kitchen fat. The cornerstone of Amish cleaning is soap, but not the kind you buy at the store. They actually make it themselves, often right in the kitchen, using leftover cooking grease or animal fat. Nothing is wasted, you know? After a big meal or butchering day, the leftover fat is saved in jars, and when enough has been collected, it's melted down and mixed with lye water, which is traditionally made by soaking wood ash in rainwater. As it cools, it hardens into solid bars of soap, powerful enough for laundry, dishes, and just general cleaning. This soap doesn't have any artificial fragrances, dyes, or packaging. It's pure, simple, and honestly, it lasts a long time. For Amish laundry soap mix, you'll need 1 grated bar of homemade soap, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of borax, which is a natural mineral cleaner. All blended together and stored in glass jars. A small scoop cleans a full load of laundry, effectively, naturally, and without synthetic residue. Step 4. Lemon and vinegar glass cleaner. For mirrors, windows, and shiny surfaces, the Amish use a simple yet highly effective mixture. You just combine 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. They wipe with newspaper instead of paper towels, an old trick that prevents streaks. This cleaner cuts through fingerprints, grease, and even hard water spots. The result is sparkling glass and a faint, clean citrus scent, not the heavy chemical smell we associate with store-bought cleaners. Step 5. Cleaning with herbs and essential oils. While essential oils are a more modern introduction, the Amish have, relied on herbs for both cleaning and adding pleasant scents for a really long time. Lavender, mint, sage, and rosemary are all grown in kitchen gardens, not just for cooking, but also because of their antibacterial and aromatic qualities. Herbs are dried and then steeped in either vinegar or water to make herbal cleaning infusions. These infusions are, used to wipe down surfaces, freshen up laundry, and naturally scent drawers. A jar of mint vinegar, for example, can both clean a countertop and repel flies. Every herb serves a double purpose: beauty, fragrance, and function. Step 6. Amish floor and furniture polish. For wooden floors and furniture, the Amish make a natural polish using simple pantry staples. Homemade Amish wood polish, so you'll need half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of vinegar, and just 2 drops of lemon oil or vanilla extract. The oil nourishes the wood while the vinegar removes dirt. It's applied with a soft cloth and buffed to a natural shine. No wax, no synthetic coating. This same mixture is often used to maintain wooden kitchen utensils, butter churns, and furniture passed down through generations. Step 7. Natural air fresheners. Instead of aerosol sprays, the Amish use stovetop simmer pots. Citrus peels, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and apple slices are simmered in water for hours, filling the home with warm, natural fragrance. This doubles as humidity control during the dry winter months. During summer, they place bowls of vinegar or baking soda around the home to absorb odors from cooking or livestock, a simple trick that's entirely effective. Step 8. Cleaning clothes without a machine. Without electricity, laundry day is an event in Amish life. Clothes are scrubbed using homemade soap, water, and a washboard. The rinse water often includes a small splash of vinegar. It softens fabric naturally and removes any residue. Whites are laid out in the sun to bleach naturally, and linens smell of fresh air rather than artificial fragrance. The effort is physical, but the result is unmistakable: clean, long-lasting clothing free of harsh chemicals. Step 9. The Amish approach to waste. What makes Amish cleaning so sustainable isn't just what they use, it's what they don't waste. Old towels become rags, glass jars are reused for storage, even cleaning mixtures are made in small batches to avoid leftovers. Nothing is poured down drains or thrown in the trash. Every bottle, brush, and cloth serves until it can't anymore, then it's repurposed again. Step 10. What we can learn. In a world overflowing with single-use products and chemical cleaners, the Amish show us that cleanliness doesn't have to come at the cost of nature. Their methods prove that you can keep a spotless home using nothing more than kitchen staples and patience: vinegar instead of disinfectant, soap instead of synthetic detergents, baking soda instead of toxic scrubs. They remind us that, the simplest solutions are often the best ones, and that the path to purity begins right at home. As the sun sets, the Amish home grows quiet. The last dishes are washed with homemade soap, and the table is wiped clean with vinegar and water. The air smells faintly of lemon and pine. There's no plastic waste, no clutter under the sink, and no toxins hidden in bottles. Just peace, cleanliness, and the soft satisfaction that comes from knowing every part of the home was cared for with intention. That's how the Amish keep their homes spotless, not through chemicals or machines, but through wisdom, resourcefulness, and gratitude.